Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Coming to market yesterday, it was the expiry, and of course, volatility was expected, and that definitely was there. It was a very volatile day, but then if you look at where the market opened and market ended, it was almost same. So again, it was almost a flat day, a very good day for option sellers, I would say. But then the market has not moved anywhere. But if you see, the VIX has actually come down. That means the volatility is actually coming down as per data. But then that is not seen in the market, of course. So what happened in the market yesterday apart from this? So basically, if you look at, we could see the bank were still in consolidation mode. So Bank Nifty was consolidating. IT was still kind of powering the market. And if you see, Reliance tried to power up the market as well. So this is kind of not making any big movements. So off late, if you see in the last few days, the Nifty has not actually made any movement as such. Though it has been going intraday up and down, but overall the market has not moved anywhere, neither on the lower side nor either on the higher side. So that is something that happened in the Indian market yesterday. So if you look at after that, after Indian markets closed, what happened in the US market? The US market actually has seen, of course, in the initial, when I think I saw at 8 o'clock when the US market opened, it was going up and things were looking good. But morning when I see, it has already fallen. So that means, of course, probably it could be just normal profit booking because that may not affect Indian market much because, if you look at US and European market, the entire of last month was a big rally. So, it could be just a natural profit booking and, that's something that we see there. But of course, in the US, if you see Alphabet, the Google was actually what led the fall. So we spoke about it yesterday also that, their AI bot which they were displaying had a mistake. And just after that, we could see the shares falling. So that was not a great news for Google. So I'm sure they'll rectify it. This is a temporary, fall, I would say. So apart from that, after the US markets closed, naturally the SGS Nifty is already indicating a small gap down opening. So definitely we are going to see a gap down opening today in the market. But then how is the market going to take it, sustain it, something that is important. Because if you see the Adani stocks have continued to be very volatile. In fact, it went up, it went for a free fall yesterday morning also at the opening and again then recovered. And it has been happening on a daily basis kind of. Now, it's become such that Adani stocks keep falling and rising every day. And I don't think anybody is actually bothered about it except all those people who are investors invested in Adani stocks. So market has kind of factored it in is what I would say. And but then whenever these Adani stocks are moving big, there is of course some effect on the market as well. So that is what is inducing all this volatility is what I feel right now. So this volatility is going to stay as long as the Adani stocks get stable. But then apart from that, with the market actually kind of consolidating at this range, looks like there is a big move coming. Now, big move can happen in any side. It can either on the fall on the lower side or on the higher side. So that could be expected sometime soon. So that means we have to take very safe trades. So that's something which is mean to us. And for an investor, you just really don't have to worry. Like I've already told earlier, this is the time where we should go on SIP mode. That is even if you're going for direct investment of stocks or even mutual fund. So this is a good time to invest, but only thing is where the move is going to come is something that cannot be expected. But then Nifty has been consolidating in such a tight range that definitely a big move is expected somewhere. So that's something that we should be prepared for. And if you look at strategies that we have done in the recent Gold Club changes in the strategy in the last week, we are taking more safer positions with safer hedges that would ensure our safety in such a situation. So that's something that we should be careful about. Well, that's going good. In fact, by the way, we again started trading in the Gold Club and Gold Plus Club, and this week we closed with more than 1% return. So that was again a really good week for us. So with that, of course, we're coming to the last trading day of this week, big weekend ahead. So let us discuss more in detail on our Sunday meeting. And if you're not a part of this community at MPI, you will be missing the Sunday meeting as well, because that is where we discuss a lot of things. Well, you could be a part of this community. All you need to do is, go to our website as given below, or even you can just contact on the WhatsApp number mentioned here, and our team will help you join the community and start investing together. So that's it for today. Wish you a great weekend ahead. Let's catch up on the Sunday meeting. Wishing you a great weekend. Goodbye. This is Srikanth signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share. And do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.